between
Okay,
the
they
two
want to be
countries.
friends. Then what is the space, Shekhar Gupta, for those who put up candle lights on the 14th of August, hoping that we will all be united one day? Are they living in some romantic notion? Is this a North Indian phenomenon now, partition? Younger Indians, particularly in South India, have little time for partition. They want the two countries simply to move ahead, be friends at best.
See, I think the emotion, the sentiment for being friends is not defined regionally. There are no boundaries. That cuts across all of India. I don't think it's any different between North and the South.
You think majority of Indians across want to be friends with Pakistan today?
I think a very vast majority, and I think a very, very vast majority. I think almost all Indians accept the existence of Pakistan. And let's say this, even in 1947, the political party that controlled India's mind, that controlled an overwhelming majority of its votes, seats in its parliament, accepted the fact of partition. So in fact, this debate over the past 50 years on whether it was a good thing or a bad thing, can it be reversed, it's a nonsensical debate because another sovereign country has come into being.
And we moved beyond that.
It's a reality.
You moved beyond that. Amir Khan, I'm going to ask you this. It's a sensitive question to ask you right at the start. You're an Indian Muslim. Have you ever been conscious of your Indian Muslim identity, or do you believe 60 years after independence, these things don't matter?
Well, I was never aware of it until I think the late 80s or thereabouts, with the rise of the right wing, I think. Until then, I as an Indian Muslim, lived very comfortably. I was not aware of my religion, or I was not made to feel aware of my religion. But I think with the right wing on the rise, a lot of polarization took place. And not only me, but each one suddenly became aware that, I'm a Hindu or so-and-so is a Muslim. You became aware of your religion. You were kind of propelled towards that, I think, early 90s, late 80s.
But do you ever get a feeling that anyone questions your identity today, or have we moved beyond that? Are you hoping that we moved? Is there hope?
Yeah, of course. Certainly.
Is there hope? Is it based more on hope than reality?
I'm saying I've been made aware of that, but it's not a great thing at all. I feel that we should certainly move ahead. I think that partition was unfortunate, but I completely agree. I think it's something that happened in the past which we should accept and move ahead with.
Is that the overwhelming feeling of this young audience? We need to move ahead. We need to move ahead. Lalu ji, you tell me. आप पाकिस्तान गए थे, वहां आपको कई बिहारी मुस्लिम मिले. क्या आपने कभी सोचा कि उनको भी इंडिया आना चाहिए एक दिन? Break down these borders, break down the barriers.
ना बेसिक प्रश्न ये है राजदीप जी कि ये जो बंटवारा हुआ, हम एक थे, आजादी के लड़ाई एक साथ लड़े हम दोनों भाई, और दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण ये बंटवारा हुआ और उसको याद करने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. आपने जो बेसिक प्रश्न उठाया कि फ्यूचर में हम एक हो सकते हैं कि नहीं, क्यों नहीं हो सकते हैं? जब ईस्ट जर्मनी और वेस्ट जर्मनी के जो हेरिटेज के वाल थे, दोनों जगह की जनता ने तोड़ के यूनिफिकेशन हुआ, तो हमारी स्पष्ट ये मान्यता है कि आज़ादी का जश्न हम 15 अगस्त को दोनों राष्ट्र के लोग मनाने जा रहे हैं. मैं बधाइयां देता हूं दोनों राष्ट्र के लोगों को, शुभकामना देता हूं.
अब आप पॉलिटिकल स्पीच करने लगे.
पॉलिटिकल स्पीच नहीं,
अब आप पॉलिटिकल स्पीच करने लगे. लेकिन आप समझते हैं कि ईस्ट जर्मनी और वेस्ट जर्मनी की तरह दोनों देश आ सकते हैं?
आपने बेसिक प्रश्न छोड़ करके चले गए दूसरे जगह. हम क्यों नहीं हो सकते हैं? हम दोनों भाई एक हैं, और बड़े पैमाने पर बिहार के मुसलमान भाई कराची में, मुझे तो ये बताया मुशर्रफ साहब ने कि इतनी बड़ी तादाद में, इतनी डेंसिटी ऑफ जो पॉपुलेशन है कराची में, वो बिहार के लोग हैं. और हम लोगों ने मैन टू मैन कांटेक्ट की बात की, जनता ने इसको अप्रूव किया, और मैन टू मैन कांटेक्ट और जो
हो सकता है.
हाँ, चलाया हम लोगों ने.
Imran Khan, I want to ask you, you've been someone who's had a lot of friends in India, often from the female fraternity, if I may say so. Lots of fans and friends. Do you believe that India and Pakistan are now ready to be good friends? You said we should move ahead, but do you really believe we are ready for that?
I think, Rajdeep, more now than ever before in our history. I mean, I watched 2 years ago or 2.5 years ago a test series in Pakistan where India beat Pakistan. And I never thought I would see the scenes I did see, where on a Pakistani ground, Pakistan loses, Indian flags, celebrations there, and especially the way the Indian visitors were treated all over Pakistan. So it's a big change from when I remember playing cricket.
It's a big change from when you remember playing cricket. Cricket is a good point, Mr. Khan. I want to take my first break because after the break, we're going to look at issues like cricket, factors like cricket, music and cinema. Are they really the bonds of a new country? Can they break down the political divides? Much more on this special State of the Nation coming to you from the Humayun Tomb.